Welcome, my love. You've returned to your island, to the waterfall that knows your name. Its mist dances in the sunlight, soft, cool, and alive, and it invites you closer. Step forward. Feel the water touch your skin, like tiny hands reminding you. You are safe. You are present. You are here. Breathe in and out. Let each droplet wash away the weight you've carried. Old fears, old judgments, old pain. It drifts down the rocks, away from you, leaving light in its place. This mist is yours, and within it lies your power. Quiet, steady, unwavering. A power that's always been yours, even when you forgot. Feel it awaken in your chest, your arms, your legs, your heart, like sunlight spilling over the island, like the ocean stretching endlessly before you. I am strong. I am capable. I am free to be me. I am whole. I am more than I've ever known. Step fully into the mist now. Let it swirl around you, touching every part of you, filling you with clarity, courage, and self-love. You are no longer holding what does not serve you. You are no longer shrinking to fit someone else's expectations. You are no longer afraid of your own light.